Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. Today I am going to speak on the topic if and or functions. Firstly, if function. This function is used to check a condition. If function is used to check a condition. If it is true, then the true part of if will be solved, and if it is false, then the false part of if will be solved. And this condition is used to combine two or more conditions. If all the conditions are true, then it will be true, otherwise false. And this is to combine two or more conditions. If all conditions are true, then it will be true, otherwise it will be false. Or this function is used to combine two or more conditions. If any one part of condition is true, then it will be true, otherwise false. Now we'll see the simple test. Suppose we wish to do a very simple test. We want to test if the value in cell C2 is greater than or equal to the value in cell T2. If argument is true, then the text will be stating as yes it is. And if it's not true, then it will be no it isn't. So we'll work with the if function because condition is provided that C2 is greater than equal to D2. So we'll apply if condition is equal to if bracket open C2 is greater than equal to D2. If it's true, then the statement will be provided as yes it is, true statement. Inverted comma, close comma. And if it's not, if it's false, then it will be no it isn't. It isn't. Inverted comma, close bracket, close. So it is yes it is because C is greater than equal to D. So it is 9 is greater than 7. Now we'll apply same function. If function will see C2 is less than equal to D2. If it is, then it will be yes it is, inverted comma, and if it's not, then it will be no it isn't. Inverted comma, close bracket, close. We'll check. No it isn't because 7 is 9 is not less than or equal to 7. So it is no it isn't. Now I'll calculate the if function. I have taken an example. Grade basic. So firstly I have provided the grades basic and we'll need to find the HRA. I have taken the 3 questions. If to find HRA as 10% of basic, if basic is above 3500, otherwise HRA is 12% of basic. The formula is at cell G8. Over here the formula would come, but I am showing it over here. Is equal to if function bracket open logical test basic should be above 3500 comma, otherwise if it's true then the basic should be 10%, and if it's false then it should be 12%, bracket close. So it is less than 3500, it's not above, so we have considered the 12% of basic. HRA is 12% of basic. Now the second part. To find HRA as 10% of basic, if basic is above 3500 but less than 4500, otherwise HRA is 12% of basic. The formula will be again over here G8 itself, but I'll be showing it here. Is equal to, firstly the condition is there, so we'll use the if function. There are two conditions, above 3500 but less than 4500, so we'll use the n function as well because n function uses all the conditions are true, then it is true, otherwise false. So it will check all the conditions. Now basic is greater than 3500 if it's true this, otherwise it should be less than 4500, both the condition it should check. less than 4500, comma. Firstly, this logical condition is over, so we'll put the bracket close, comma. Now we'll see if this is true, then B2 should be 10%, otherwise B2 should be 12%. So it's 120 because this is less than 3500, it's not above 3500. The first condition itself is not fulfilling, so they have taken as 12% of basic, that is 1000 of 12% is 120. Now lastly, to find HRA as 10% of basic, if basic is below 3500 or basic is above 4500, otherwise HRA is 12% of basic. Formula again at GHL. First, the condition is there, so if function, bracket open. Now they have said a basic should be below 3500 or basic should be above 4500. Any of the one condition. So or function. Or function. Now basic should be less than 3500 or it should be above 4500, bracket close because logical condition over. If it's true, then basic should be 10%, otherwise it should be 12%. So it is below 3500 but not above 4500, but it is fulfilling the first condition. We have to check with one condition, so they have considered 10% of 1000, that is 100, because one condition is fulfilled but other is not. But in all function, any one condition should be fulfilled. I have shown you the first part. If you all can try with others as well, grade B, grade B, grade A, and taken as 4000, 5000, 3000. If it work with the if function and function or function, and if you all have any query, you all can comment in the comment section and I'll do help with you all. And if you like my video, then please press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and for more videos press the bell icon button. This is all about the if and or functions. If you have any query, then you all can comment in the comment section. Hope you all understood if and or function, and you all try with the next. If you all have any queries, I'll surely help you all. Thank you.